Okay, so let me tell you a bit about today's videos and the upcoming videos, which might include a lot of nature. Now, you know I love nature, but I'm trying to do something new. Like, I'm trying to find something. What do I try to find? Well, you might see the environment. I'm actually looking to find a praying mantis. That's right. Praying mantis in the Netherlands. I'm in the Netherlands right now, and it's not likely that I will find one, but if I do find one, it will be just super special. So I'm gonna take it for this ride with me, and let's try to find some. Now, if I will find some, it's probably gonna be higher up, like that part of the plants. But I also just learned that there's like this kind of egg or nest, they're coming out of. So might just want to look out for that one. And we do need like those ones, high plants. And I'm not that trained at finding praying mantises, but I can imagine it's like super hard to find some. So I gotta watch every movement out here, and be very, very careful. Now there should be some insects around praying mantises, since they are like very, I don't want to call them aggressive, but they're like, they're hunters, so predators. So there should be a lot of insects around the area. A lot of choices. I'm a rookie. Bear with me. Definitely a beautiful spot for praying mantis to chill at, but I don't know again. I don't know if you got them out here. I don't think they will be near water, but it's worth trying because these plants look like a great habitat for them. However, this is near to water, so probably not what they like. Another new building. Like, this was not here before. So many new things around the neighborhood. Now this is another spot that might have them, but I want to check a little bit further because there's not a lot of insect, like flying insect activity around here. See, this is more of the spots that I want to check out, as those things over there might provide a good habitat for them. I don't know about these things. It's full of bees and whatever. But I'm gonna check out that part. Now this definitely looks good, but I'm not saying there's any out here. Check this out. Oh my God, and she's going to love me. Check this out. We found a new rock. And check out these hard workers doing their thing. And there is a lot of beautiful plants out here.